Welcome to Boston New Technology. Who's ready to see some awesome startups? Yeah, definitely. Got a lot of good ones tonight, and special feature to help you guys learn a little bit more about blockchain. So that'll be great. So I'd like to turn it right over to Akamai to welcome you guys.
Thanks very much. Hey everyone, my name's Jared. I work in HR here at Akamai. I'm a recruiter. So just a little bit about us for those of you who aren't familiar with us. We're one of the world's largest content delivery networks. We have over 250,000 servers globally. So we cache content, deliver content to end users, and enhance the user experience with our distributed network. So we're always hiring for software engineers, architects, for folks that are interested in any opportunities. I'll be around all night, so feel free to seek me out and chat with me directly, and I can talk further about anything, any questions you have about us. So I'll turn it back over. Thanks, guys.
Great, thanks, Akamai, for having us here.
We also have Katherine from UPS here. Katherine, where are you?
Hey.
You want to say a word?
I'm all set.
Okay, so yeah, she'll be hanging out. Go and meet Katherine and find out more about how UPS is supporting startups around New England and throughout the world. We also have Smartup Network here, so I'd like to ask them to come up and give a brief introduction as well.
Hello, my name is Birch. I'm from Smartup Network. We would like to thank Boston New Technology for letting us become a part of this wonderful event. We work with entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs come to us with their ideas. We have product managers that have built and sold companies in the past. So they are experts at viral growth and entrepreneurship and embedding viral growth channels into digital products. And we sit down with the entrepreneur and solidify a plan with him. And after we have the plan, we build the actual product. We launch the MVP. And after the MVP is showing results, we introduce the entrepreneur to our network of angel investors. We built 16 MVPs last year in different parts of the world. In Amsterdam, Berlin, Düsseldorf, Dubai, Istanbul, Seattle, San Francisco. And we are hoping to build more. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Nate, are you able to come up here and introduce? Or I could do it. Nate does all our awesome video work.
Thanks. Can I have the recording mic too? Thanks. Super duper. This is awesome.
How's it going? My name is Nate Cantalupo. I own a company called Your Profile Video. I've been producing video in Boston for 5 years and also in LA, San Francisco, Miami, and a lot of other cities around the country. I produce videos for businesses, profile videos for homepages, overviews for your company, event video. I also do some scripted narrative work, and I'd love to talk to you. My email's on the sheet. Thanks so much, and thanks for being here. It's going to be a great night.
Thank you. And we also have Coalition, another great partner. Coalition is our home.
Pop this in your collar.
All right, cool. We'll both talk. All right. All right, hey everyone, I'm RJ.
I'm Katherine. We're the community managers at Coalition Boston.
So if you've never heard of a co-working space, we're an office space that hosts a bunch of small companies, startups especially, but any type of small company that's interested in working with a community of entrepreneurs, people who are professionals, but you'll find that our spaces are really laid back and yet professional space to work in. We're in downtown Boston, right at the edge of Chinatown, on the corner of Beach Street and Harrison Avenue. We're just about to finish our new renovation, so we're in a phase where we have great prices, although we always do, something that separates us from other co-working spaces you may have heard of. So if anyone's interested, check out our table, and we're at the bottom of this list that you have here, Coalition. So again, I'm RJ, Katherine,
I'm Katherine, and we're also having a raffle. If you want to put your business card in our jar, you would win 2 free months of co-working if your name is drawn.
Awesome. All right, everyone, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks, everyone. We also have an event coming up that I'd like Nate to do a quick word about on Draper.
Put this mic on you too. Thanks.
Thanks.
Put that in your pocket.
Now hold on to it. Thanks, Chris. So great to see everybody out here tonight. My name is Nathan Wiedemann. I run the assembler office at Draper, which is literally across the street that way, if I have my directions correct. We are hosting BNT 83, I think the number is. Yes, on November 14th at Draper. We've hosted you guys before in one of our nice big auditorium or conference rooms. We also just completed our atrium, which Chris got a chance to come and take a look at today. We hope we can work out sort of the security and facilities issues to put it in there. It'd be really great to have this event in that sort of new big space. So hopefully you all come out on November 14th. We're really looking forward to seeing you. Thanks.
Awesome.
I don't know where it went. There it is. There we go.
I'll hold this and put it on.
Thank you. Okay, great. I just want to thank a couple more partners before we get started. So Foley Hoag has been a supporter for several years, and they can handle all of your legal needs. Please reach out to them. They work in all industries, all stage companies, but certainly a slant towards technology companies and certainly startups. We also have IBM as a great supporter for a long time as well, and they have a lot of awesome services that they provide free to developers and startups through IBM Bluemix and their Developer Works program. And you can also leverage their IBM Watson artificial intelligence technology. And we do have someone from IBM here in the back is Andy. He's raising his hand. If you want to meet him after, he'll be hanging out. Thanks, Andy. And then we had Hello Boston scheduled to give a presentation for you guys, so I'm sorry they could not make it, and something came up, but they do have .boston domains available for your request and use. So you can sign up at hello.boston, any domains that you want to get branding in Boston for your domain. All right, so let's see. I'm just going to go through a few logistics. Just turn this off here. So, sorry. So for those that don't know me, I'm Chris Requena, and I'm your organizer and leading these events these days. So. We have a hashtag, which is BNT82 for this event, and it's on the program. Actually, all the information we've gone over is on your program, as well as contact information for most of the companies participating tonight. They have Twitter handles there as well. You can tweet at Boston New Tech, at Akamai, and thank people or give feedback or any positive information you've learned. Share it out there, take photos, and help these guys get some great buzz. They will definitely appreciate it. So each of these presenters will get 5 minutes to give you a quick overview and then a demo, if feasible, of their product. And then they'll take your questions. So think of some great ones, and let's try to have the presenters repeat those questions so we get them recorded properly. We'll be featuring these videos on YouTube, but also on our new website, which we'll be launching in a couple of weeks. So look for an announcement on that very soon. And we're always looking for partners, so if you guys have any interest in running events, or if you have venue space or want to support an event in any way, certainly get in touch with me. Or if you have any information we should share with the community as far as events or opportunities coming up, we can put the word out in our newsletter. So just let me know. My email address is in there in the program, and you can send it to me.